Welcome. This is Stephen Thomas from Manifest the Movement, and I'm so honored to guide you through today's transformative chant. The words, I am, are a declaration of your essence, a gateway to your infinite potential. When spoken with intention, they shape your reality and align you with the highest version of yourself. Find a comfortable position. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in. Hold. And slowly exhale. Feel yourself becoming present, open to the power of these affirmations. Repeat after me. I am powerful. I am light. I am love. Let these words echo inside you. You are awakening. I am strong. I am resilient. I am courageous. You face so many challenges. Now you rise. I am abundant. I am worthy. I am grateful. You are the magnet. You attract miracles with every breath. Let's continue. I am calm. I am peace. I am balanced. The universe flows through you. You are aligned. I am divine. I am creative. I am limitless. You are the source. You are the spark. I am inspired. I am radiant. I am unstoppable. Stand tall. You were born for greatness. I am compassion. I am joy. I am free. You are light embodied. You are source. Take a final deep breath. Hold and slowly exhale. Carry this energy with you. And remember, you are the creator of your reality. And the words, I am, are your tools of transformation. This is Stephen Thomas with Manifest the Movement. And I thank you for joining me on this journey. Trust in your I am and the infinite power within you. Until next time, be well, be grateful, and remember, you are destined for greatness. Peace.